What's up mga amigo and mga amigas? Yes, I'm back. I'm back again. Sorry talaga guys, no? Sabihin ko na lang na busy talaga ako guys. So, sobrang busy talaga. Hindi ko na ma-update yung channel ko. Marami na rin akong client which is good news yan, di ba? Grabe din yung ng workload ko. Alam mo naman guys, IT consultant ako / administrator, system administrator, database management, yung lahat IT yata, napasok ko na yun. Yan yung trabaho ko talaga. So anyways guys, ngayon lang ako may time talaga maka-open ng Facebook. So yun, nag-explore, nag-check ng Facebook. So remember mo yung yung Rio Brothers, yung nagko-cover ng mga Beatles song. Meron ako nakitang video, bago na to kasi mature na talaga sila. Yung last video nakita ko yung yung sa ABS-CBN ba yun na nag-perform sila, yung payat pa masyado sila. Pero ngayon nakita ko ito dito sa sa Facebook ko. Meron talaga silang page, Rio Brothers sa Facebook. Check nyo guys, no. Mag-react ako ng isang video nila guys na grabe talaga. Matured na sila, pati yung nila, matured na talaga sila mag-cover ng Beatles. Tama ba 'yun? So anyways guys, tingnan natin guys, no? Mag-react tayo sa video nila. Ayusin ko muna yung dito. Okay, liitin natin konti. Ilagay natin sa center lang yung video ko. Diyan, okay? Okay, so astig ito sila mag-cover ng mga Beatles song. And let's watch. Uy, saan yung earphones ko? Okay, Love Me Dude. Oh.
Love me do, whoa, love me do,
Cool.
love me do. You know I love you, I'll always be true. So be,
Oh,
oh yeah, like I please you.
ang ganda ng continuation pa rin ha. Medley kasi.
Don't need me to show.
Anong title ng song to? Oh yeah.
Why do I always have to say love?
Dang 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 dang.
Come on,
Wow, ganda talaga guys.
come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Please baby, when love from
Oh.
me to you.
Balik naman siya sa Love Me Dude.
That you want, like a heart felt so true.
Grabe, talented talaga ito.
On me, and I said
Grabe, talented talaga sila guys.
from me to you. I got arms that long
Oh,
to
nice.
hold you.
Very nice.
You by my side.
Ganda.
I got lips that long to kiss you and keep you satisfied. She loves you, yeah, yeah.
She loves you.
She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, 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 yeah.
Maganda masyado yung transition from song to another song, di ba?
Saw her yesterday, yeah. It's you she's thinking of, and she told me what to say, yeah. She said she loves you, and you know that.
Take note guys, silang apat talaga mahusay talaga mahusay sila magkanta. At the same time, yung instrument sila, yung bass, yung dalawang guitar, tsaka yung drummer, magaling din sila, talented talaga.
I wanna hold your hand, and when I touch you, I feel happy inside. It's such a feeling that my love I can hide, I can hide, I can hide. Yeah, you
Oh,
got that something I think you'll understand when I say that something I wanna
Galing talaga nila guys. Wala akong masabi. Sobrang galing nila guys. Promise. Parang nakapunta na sila ng ng England. England ba 'yon? Yung place ng Beatles. Nag-perform sila doon. Yeah. Sa comments naman dito guys sa video na to, maraming talaga yung mga foreigner naghanga talaga sa nila. Yung foreign yung foreign viewers nila guys. Grabe ang nila. Praise na praise talaga sila sa Rio Brothers. So, yun nga, balik naman tayo. So anyways guys, yan ang yung reaction video ko sa Rio Brothers, yung Beatles medley songs nila. Beatles medley songs, tama ba yun? So anyways guys, thanks for watching this reaction video. Mayroong update ng ko yung stay tuned na lang sa next video ko and see you next. Maybe I will post a video for next week na naman. So hopefully hindi sana ako grabe ka busy. And hopefully hindi na ako mag out of town. So thank you guys and see you next video, okay? Soon. Bye.